Amazon, and in there it shows a pop-up, and it says, size detected. Did you finish eating your meal after? And it says, I think it's Bain
Shemesh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. I think that's the time that is mentioned there. What does it mean?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's very interesting question. So what Israel is saying, so he has electronic Siddur. Electronic Siddur is a smart, right? So it would add for you all of the things that extra things that you must say on a day off. So he was trying to say Bircas Hamazon. So when he finished eating, the Siddur is actually asking him a question: when exactly you stopped eating? As we said yesterday, I think. So you have some leeway, some time when you're allowed to say Bircas Hamazon. As we said yesterday, so if you have a huge meal, maybe it's even 3 hours after that, right? So technically, if let's say the night starts, or like sundown, right? Sundown. Let's say 5 p.m. I'm just random example. So if he finished at 4, let's say right before that, right? And now 3 hours later, now it's 6, and he wants to say Bircas Hamazon. So technically there is no issues, as we mentioned yesterday, as we explained yesterday. But Siddur must know, even though today, right now, as of right now, there is Rosh Chodesh on one hand. On another hand, we go by the time when he finished eating, right? So it's very important when person finish eating. So if he finished eating, it's actually we said it in a Tuesday class, right? If person finished eating after sundown, right, and he ate another kizayis, so now it is proper for him to say kizayis, meaning 28 grams, 1 ounce, to add to his Bircas Hamazon the addition for Rosh Chodesh. But if he finished before, he cannot add the Rosh Chodesh, even though he's saying prayer after the time. So that's why the Siddur, that smart Siddur, asks the smart question. That's the reason. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Got it? Okay, that's a very interesting question. Okay.